Alright, today we are going to work on a very interesting topic, which is arithmetic progression. Unlike the boring geometry questions where you are given a couple of diagrams and you have to prove that this figure is similar to the other figure, and you have to bend your back to see which side is congruent, which side is similar, which side of triangle A is similar to which side of triangle B and which angle. And anyway, we don't have any such complexities here. It is just simple and it's very interesting and it's very useful as well. It's very useful even for our 11th and 12th standard, and also in the graduation for some of the electives in engineering. Also, arithmetic progression is not as boring or monotonous or laborious as we have in the case of sometimes polynomials and quadratic equations, where you have to find lots and lots of factors of a particular number to see what, when you multiply two numbers, and you get those factors. Okay, let's just jump into the problem statement straight away. So even before we start solving the problem, let's just try to understand, as far as arithmetic progressions are concerned, let's write the formulas that we have. If we have to find the nth term, we use this formula Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference and n is the nth term. We also have the formula sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So these are the two formulas that we will be using as far as arithmetic progression is concerned. The 15th term of an arithmetic progression is 3. So the moment you say the 15th term, what is being mentioned here is T15 is equal to a plus n minus 1. N is 15. So 15 minus 1 into d. And what do we have as the 15th term? It is 3. 3 equal to a plus 14d. So this will be our equation number 1. Now, what is the next sentence? The sum of the first 8 terms is 194. So the sum of first 8 terms, which is again 8 by 2, going by this formula, into 2a plus n minus 1, 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 into d. And what do we have as the sum of 8 terms? 194. So we have 194 equal to 8 by 2 is 4 into 2a plus 7d. If we simplify it further, 194 equal to 4 2s are 8, 8a plus 7 4s are 28. So 28d. This is our equation number 2. So if we see equation 1, we have a, and equation 2, we have 8a. And here it's 14d and 28d. So if we multiply equation 1 by 2, so multiply equation 1 by 2, then what do we get? Not equation 2, by the number 2. So what do we get? 3 into 2 is 6 is equal to 2a plus 14 2s are 28, 28d. And then we have equation 2 as it is, 194 equal to 8a plus 28d. So now if we subtract the whole thing, 28d minus 28d cancels out. So 6 minus 194 is minus 188 equal to 2 minus 8 is minus 6a. So minus also cancels out. So a equal to 188 by 6, or 94 by 3. So this is the first term, and the 19th term. Now, before we move on to the 19th term, let us try to find the difference, the common difference. We can use one of the equations. Let us try to use equation 1 itself. So the common difference would be 3 equal to A. A is 94 divided by 3 plus 14D. So 14D equal to 3 minus 94 divided by 3, which is 9 minus 94 by 3 is equal to minus 85 divided by 3. So 14D is equal to minus 85 divided by 3. Therefore, D equal to minus 85 divided by 14 into 3, which is 42. And the 19th term, therefore, BT19 equal to A plus 18D, which is, we have A as 94 divided by 3 plus 18 into minus 85 divided by 42, which is equal to 94 by 3 minus 6 3s are 18, 6 7s are 42. So minus 85 into 3 is 240, 255 by 7. Oh, this is a lengthy number that you're getting, not a simple answer. 7 3s are 21. So 3 7s are, so 94 into 7, 94 into 7, 658 minus 7 3s are, so 255 into 3, 765, which is equal to 765 minus 658. 107 divided by 21. So this is the answer for the 19th term. Alright, I hope you found this tutorial useful. Do subscribe to my channel so that you get an immediate update whenever I post new videos. And also please post any specific question that you want me to make a video on. I would be more than happy to address those questions of yours. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Let's move on to the next tutorial. Thank you very much.